Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. I hope everybody's doing good. We are talking today about a topic that is necessary. It's necessary. We are talking today about when is it time for me to place my person in a facility. Now, there are several reasons why you would need to make this decision. The question about the decision came up today on our group inside the Facebook group, Dementia with Grace. Caregiver Support Group is the name of the group, and I always link it down in the description. But her question was, absolutely, my mother-in-law is driving me crazy. I feel like my head is going to explode. I cannot find that reservoir of love and grace that I used to be able to find and extend to her. It's just like I cannot do it anymore. And it's affecting my relationship with my husband, with my 16-year-old son, with my mother. There has been a death in the family. I mean, there was a lot going on. And she said, I just think it's time. Well, that is true. There are reasons why people need facilities. Usually, people go into facilities around stage 5 of their dementia, and that is when they start to lose continence, when they start having behavior problems that you can't reason with, that you can't, you can't redirect. I mean, there's just issues with the behavior. So usually people seek care, memory care, skilled nursing care, assisted living care, when one of two things happen. They have incontinence that they don't want to manage, or behaviors that they cannot manage. And in the situation of the person today was about, I'm just burned out. She didn't say that she was burned out. She was just saying, I'm having this issue, which told me that she's burned out. Absolutely a valid reason to seek other care, to move them out of the family home, to have them not age in place, and have them be able to go back into go into a facility. Sometimes people have been in a facility only for like a 20-day stay because of a hospitalization, and then they come back home. So, that's a situation too where, we allowed her to come home, we allowed him to come home, we thought we could handle it, we can't handle it. And, and that's okay. That is okay. You are walking a familiar journey because other people walk the dementia journey, but you are only walking your road. Only you walks your particular journey. There can be a dementia journey, and then there can be a journey that is just your journey. Does that make sense? Anyway, I wanted just to reaffirm that you, as a caregiver, needing placement for your person is as valid as your person needing placement for a continence issue or a behavior issue, or just because there's folks in the family that just cannot physically, financially, whatever, take care of a person in their home. And if they meet criteria for care and you have a valid reason for care, then that is a choice, that is a valid choice. I just want to encourage you that, you're trying your best. The reason I know you're trying your best is because you're on YouTube looking for a video. I cannot express that enough. I have said that in other videos. I have said that inside my group. If you are the type of person, your character has driven you to find an answer, to find a support group, to find a dementia coach, to find a consultant that can talk to you about the hard decisions that have to be made on this dementia journey. That means that you are a good person. You're a good caregiver. You are trying to figure out your next best step. And that's commendable. So I just wanted to make this video to add to the other video that I have about how to choose care, and I will link that. If I can figure out the way to link it here as a card up here somewhere, I will. If not, it'll be down in the description or the comments or something like that. So another video that I have about how to choose a place. But I wanted to address this on why to choose a place. You know, why, what valid reason that you have. It's a valid reason. So there's the video for today. I appreciate your time and your attention. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. It helps the algorithm some kind of way in the YouTube universe that I'm still figuring out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There's a subscribe button down here or there or somewhere, and hit the bell so that you will be notified of the videos that I post, okay? All right. Thank you for watching. If you need a group, come on over to the Facebook page. It's Dementia with Grace. Hold on, let me get it right. There's a page and there's a group, and you want to do the group. The group is Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group. So we would love to have you. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.